Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Happy Mother's Day. I am filming this on Mother's Day. Don't think it's gonna go up though today. But yeah, happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. Well, today's video is going to be how to apply lashes. Showing you the way I do it. Like I've said before, makeup, you do what works for you. Not that my way is gonna be the right way by any means, but this is how I do it. So if you want to see how I apply lashes, then keep watching. I swear I always forget something when I'm filming. Like it never fails. So these are the ones I'm gonna wear today. They are the Ardell 600 Black. I don't know if that's gonna focus. So you just want to like pull down and they're gonna start coming off. I used to go like that, and sometimes I would lose lashes in the process. They come with a little bit of adhesive. I also go ahead and take that off. So what you want to do is place it on top like that, and then you just want to measure eyelid. I don't like my eyelashes to be really far out because I feel like they bring my eyes down. I don't like my eyelashes to be like right there in the inner corner. That's gonna poke you and it's gonna be uncomfortable. Always cut from the outer, not the inner. That way you don't lose the eyelash shape. I'm gonna snip that off. Like that. The glue I've been using is the Duo. The applicator's a brush. If you are a beginner, I would recommend using the white, because the biggest thing you have to make sure with the eyelashes is that the glue is tacky. So dry, but not way too dry that it does not stick anymore. That was my biggest problem. I used to apply the glue and think, great, gotta put it on before it dries. But you just gotta let it get a little bit tacky. And with the white glues, you can actually see they change color. So it goes from white to like this lilac, bluish light color. That will tell you that the glue is perfect for application. So I'm just gonna dip it in here. I need to get a new one. And I go in and apply my glue. I'm sorry if this is out of focus. And then I apply extra, like on the edges. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry. I go ahead and I get my tweezers, so I apply my eyelashes with tweezers. And then you grab a mirror. The trick that I think works for me is, because I can't put on eyelashes looking straight up, like to a mirror, straight. So I grab a mirror and I actually look down. Place the eyelashes kind of upwards instead of just like this. This way you get the full everything curl length of the eyelashes. And I don't close my eye entirely, but I go in and I place them in the center. See that? And then I grab the corners. I usually do the outer corner first. Press it in, and then I go in and do the inner corner. I promise you, if you wait for that glue to get tacky, that's how easy it is to apply eyelashes. That's it. Once I figured out that I had to wait for the glue to dry, applying eyelashes was within seconds. And just press kind of upwards, just like that. And then I also grab my tweezers and very careful, I kind of press the eyelashes together. Okay, so once I have both of them on, now I'm gonna go ahead and curl the eyelashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a black eyeliner, and then I usually just cover or clean up anything. Also, I like to get in the inner corner because sometimes you'll see where like the lash band ends. So you just have like your inner corner and it looks like cut. So I always go in and I do black in the middle, in the inner corner. And that just blends everything in. You get one straight line across. I go in with my famous mascara that I keep talking about and just apply it. And I like to kind of just apply at like the tops, the ends of the eyelashes. Guys, I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see here. Ignore my pimples, okay? We're working on it. But yeah, so this is what they look like. Love these eyelashes. It's so quick. I love how they look and I'm obsessed. Also, let me know what are your favorite eyelashes. If you wear some, let me know what are your favorite. I'd love to try them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little tutorial. Like I said before, this is not the right way by any means. This is just what I've learned through the process of mistake. This is what works for me. This is what I found was easier after trial and error, and I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. Like I said before, happy Mother's Day. It's probably gonna be Monday, Tuesday, whenever this video goes up. But because I did film it on Mother's Day, I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all of you mothers out there. I'm gonna go ahead and celebrate my mama today, so have a good afternoon, morning, evening, night, whatever time it is right now that you're watching this. I will see you in my next video, and love you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, any video requests, put them down below, and we'll see you next time. Back. Jesus. We're gonna let it dry. Marker. What the heck is this? You guys, I had glue on my face this entire time.